Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand the story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of natural gas futures where we have seen the natural gas futures have been constantly sliding downward since November 13, 2018 when the natural gas futures touched the highs of $4.777, and since then we can see that the natural gas futures remained in bearish pressure since June 2019. Here you can see that after facing stiff resistance at the level of $2.654, natural gas futures started to move downward and entered into a bearish zone and touched the lows of $2.180 on June 19, 2019. Since then, here you can see that the natural gas futures have been constantly making some consolidation amid this zone, and finally after a downward move, here you can see that the natural gas futures have formed a green candle in a daily time frame on August 8, 2019, which indicates the advent of a bullish move in natural gas futures in a daily time frame. If we have a look at the current position of moving averages, therefore I would like to zoom this portion for you for a broad analysis of the current position. So in a daily time frame, here you can see that currently after following a continuous downward trend, which is the upper end of this downward channel, here the natural gas futures have been constantly moving downward up to August 8, 2019 when we found the formation of a bullish candle in a daily time frame, here followed by a shooting star on August 9th. Here if we have a look at the current position of moving averages, here the 20 days exponential moving average is still below the 20 days moving average, which indicates strong bearish pressure for short term in natural gas futures, which is evident enough for keeping the natural gas futures amid bearish zone for one or two more trading sessions. But finally I find, on the other hand, if we have a look at the current position of exponential moving averages, we can see here that the 50 days exponential moving average is well above the 50 days moving average, which indicates the continuity of an eruptive move from the current levels in natural gas futures, where I find that once again the natural gas futures may test the levels of on the first trading session of the upcoming week, as here you can see that the natural gas futures try to test this move on 1st August 2019 when the natural gas futures found immediate resistance at 50 days exponential moving average. But since then, here you can see that since then 50 days exponential moving average has been constantly maintaining above the 50 days moving average, which looks evident enough for an eruptive move in natural gas futures during the upcoming week, because I find that the formation of a bullish candle in a daily time frame above the upper end of this downward trend line, here you can see that this formation looks evident enough for continuity of a bouncing move during the upcoming week, where I find if the natural gas futures sustain above this immediate resistance, which is currently at the level of $2.306, no doubt that the natural gas futures will try to break the psychological resistance at $2.578, where a sustainable move in natural gas futures will result in a sharp upward move up to the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the level of $2.910, and no doubt if the natural gas futures successfully break the 200 days moving average resistance during the upcoming week, we will see the natural gas futures to move up to the levels of $3. So friends, I find that during the upcoming week natural gas futures going to see very volatile moves. Amid growing volatility, natural gas futures will try to break immediate resistance levels at the level of $2.30, where I find that a sustainable move will test the next immediate psychological resistance at the level of $2.578. Therefore, I find that a sustainable move of the psychological resistance will result in more sharp upward moves due to short covering rallies during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures during the upcoming week. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.